Meaning of dreaminess.
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 Dreaminess. Dreaminess refers to a state of being unreal or impractical, often associated with a feeling of nostalgia or a sense of detachment from reality. It can be characterized by daydreaming, a lack of focus, and a tendency to get lost in one's thoughts. This state may elicit a feeling of tranquility and comfort, but it can also lead to a lack of productivity and detachment from real-world responsibilities. Dreaminess can be experienced both consciously and unconsciously, and can be influenced by various factors such as mood, environment, and personal experiences.